Welcome to the MindLeapToys. Hello, little champions. Today, we're going on a magical journey to a land called the MindLeapToys Chess Kingdom, a place where kings rule, queens conquer, and brave knights go on missions. Ready to play and learn? Let's begin the adventure. Meet the chessboard. This is the chessboard. It's like the map of our kingdom. It has 64 squares, black and white, just like a checkerboard. Each player has their own side. White goes first. Now meet the characters of our story. 1. The king. The king is the most important. He moves only one square in any direction. Protect him at all costs. If he's trapped, the game is over. 2. The queen. She's the most powerful. She moves any number of squares, straight or diagonal. She zooms across the board like magic. 3. The rooks, they live in the corners of the castle. They move up, down, or sideways, like castle guards. 4. The bishops. The bishops move only diagonally across the board. One stays on white squares, one on black. 5. The knights. These are the only ones who can jump over other pieces. They move in an L shape, 2 squares in one direction, and then one to the side. 6. The pawns. These are the brave foot soldiers. They move forward only 1 square at a time, but 2 on their first move. They attack diagonally, 1 step forward and to the side. And guess what? If they reach the other end of the board, they can become a queen. Starting position. Let's set up your kingdom. Pawns go in the front row, your front line. Then, behind them, rooks on the corners, knights next to rooks, bishops next to knights. Queen goes on her own color. King takes the last square. How to play, the rules. The goal is to protect your king and try to trap your opponent's king. That's called checkmate, and it means you win. Check, the king is in danger. Checkmate, the king is trapped with no escape. Stalemate, nobody wins. It's a draw. Remember, white moves first, then players take turns. Think, plan, and play with courage. Let's play a practice game now. Let's try a few moves together. You move a pawn, I move a knight. It's like telling a story, one move at a time. Join the chess adventure. And that's the beginning of your journey into the world of chess. You've met the characters, learned the rules, and now it's your turn to play. Keep practicing, little champion. The chess kingdom awaits. Play smart, think bold, be the hero of your game. Your chess journey starts now. Ready to master every move? Take the next step with the classic wooden magnetic chessboard from Perfect for Learning.